Hi everyone, welcome to AnyTalk English. I'm Ryan. Today, we have a new story for you. Watch again and repeat out loud. You've got this! Today is my very first day at a new job. I'm nervous, but I'm ready. Let's see what happens.
Okay, this is it. My first day.
Hey, are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day. I'm Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. I'm Jamie. I work on the 3rd floor.
Oh, great. Where should I go?
Come with me. I'll show you. This is the lobby. The front desk is right over there.
It's really big. I'm a little nervous.
Hey, that's totally normal. Everyone feels like that on their first day.
Really? Even you?
Of course. But don't worry, our team is very friendly.
Oh, that's good to hear. Thank you.
So, what's your job here, Ryan?
I'm on the marketing team.
Oh, nice. That's a fun team.
I hope so. I'm a little nervous.
You'll be fine. Just smile and say hi to everyone.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay, this is your team's office.
Wow, there are a lot of people.
Don't worry, I'll introduce you.
Now? Already?
Yes, ready?
Okay, let's go.
This is your desk.
Oh, it's right by the window. I like it.
Good spot, right? You can see the whole city.
It's great. Okay, I think I'm gonna be okay.
See? Day 1 isn't so bad.
Not yet. Ask me again at 5 o'clock.
Ryan, it's lunchtime. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
Great. Let's go to the cafeteria.
Is the food good here?
It's okay. Just don't get the soup.
Why not?
Trust me. Just trust me. Ryan, what did you get?
I got the soup. It looked amazing.
Oh no.
What? Is it bad? Oh. Oh no.
I told you.
Why didn't you stop me?
I tried. You didn't listen.
Okay. Lesson learned. No more soup.
Okay, Ryan. This is the team meeting. Just listen.
Got it. I'll just sit here and be quiet.
The manager wants to hear from you.
Now? In front of everyone?
Yes, just keep it quick.
Okay. I can do this.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm new. I'm on the,
Marketing team.
right. Marketing team. Sorry, I'm a little nervous. Did I do okay?
It was perfect. Very honest.
Hey,
How are you feeling?
tired, but I think I'm okay.
You did really well today.
I made so many mistakes.
That's normal. It's day 1.
The soup, the meeting, everything.
Everyone has a day 1 story. Now you have yours.
Wow. You can see everything from up here.
Nice, right? I come here when I need a break.
It's so calm. I love it.
So, same time tomorrow?
Haha. Yeah. Same time tomorrow.
There you go.
Jamie, thank you, really.
That's what we're here for.
Okay, day 1. Done.
Hey, Ryan. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Jamie. Not bad. Not bad at all.